So working from home is really a new normal for our world today. And what you need to realize right away is that it can definitely be a new normal for you too. Now, if you ask me as an online business owner for some years now, it's definitely going to take a bit of faith and some mindset shifts and a whole lot of discipline, but I believe that you can do it. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 8 easy ways you can go ahead and begin to make some money from home. Let's go ahead and get into it. So most work from home employees have the potential to turn their job that they work, their 9 to 5, into their dream job through entrepreneurship. And so if you have been thinking about working from home and starting a new business, or simply just wanting to work to make some easy money from home, then you should definitely consider my first pick for a work from home job that will get you that easy money that you're looking for. Just in case we haven't met, my name is Tamia and I teach amazing ladypreneurs that are aspiring to have online businesses just like you, how to go ahead and build an intentional life and a dream business that I know that they'll absolutely love. Why? Because of the fact that they built it. Do me a favor, make sure you hit that big red subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the cute little bell for updates. So my number one pick, so that you can go ahead and dive into creating either another stream of income, or let's say you just lost your job because of all that is going on in the world, is going to be an online business manager, which is also known as an OBM in the online space. Now, an online business manager helps entrepreneurs to be able to organize and systemize and strategically plan their business. So OBM services can also include assisting business owners in running their day-to-day procedures of their business. This can look so different in different industries, but one of the most amazing things is that OBMs earn between $65 and $150 an hour, believe it or not. It literally depends on the skill set that they have and the knowledge that they have and what services they'll be providing for the companies that they work for. So if you know that you are a boss in your own right and you know that you are the bomb at keeping all of the plates spinning at the same time, then you definitely want to check out looking into becoming an OBM and definitely starting a business as an online business manager. This is a great way to be able to get started with your laptop at home. So my number 2 pick is going to be an Amazon seller. Listen, we all shop on Amazon. Amazon is the place to be. Why get up and go to the store when you can go ahead and buy exactly what you need at the click of a button? Amazon is absolutely taking over the world. Now, most Amazon sellers make at least $1,000 per month in sales, and some super sellers make upwards towards $250,000 each month in sales. Amazon sellers sell products in their industry, and they pick different kind of products to be able to buy and then sell on the Amazon platform. So most do it themselves, maintaining their own inventory, and what they do is they ship products to customers, which is basically called merchant fulfillment, or they either have Amazon take the responsibility for packaging and labeling and shipping the product through fulfillment by Amazon. Now, a lot of times you'll hear about the whole FBA movement if you're into the whole drop shipping movement. Now, if you've never heard of FBA before, you definitely want to check it out. It is an amazing business to start. This is definitely something that you can start off doing as a side hustle, and then the more customers that you get fulfilling the products that you are selling on the Amazon platform, then you can definitely begin to beef things up. But if you're looking to go ahead and start making that cash flow of some income coming in, then you definitely want to look into FBA to be able to start to make this happen. My third pick is for you to become a membership site creator. So on sites that basically are membership sites, what happens is that there are ongoing resources that are created for the members that are in that membership from month to month. Now, this is great because you can earn from $1,000 to $20,000 per month. Now, there are a bunch of companies that service you probably already subscribe to, or you're a member to, like Netflix, right? They get your $14.99 each month, and if you decide to upgrade your screens, then that's even more money for them. So why not put yourself in a position where you can begin to get that stream of income flowing and through a membership site that you'll create, so that your income can absolutely skyrocket just like Netflix. Now, my next pick is a Facebook ads manager. Facebook ads managers on average literally charge $137.50 per hour for their work, or they can make anything between $101 to $200 per hour, or $2,000 to $20,000 per month. So if you are a Facebook ads manager, then you have the potential to be able to help businesses to manage their Facebook ad campaigns, and most of all scale their campaigns so that that income can totally be coming in for them, and then you can get paid. Now, what I realize is that sometimes when you're looking for a 9 to 5, you just look for the different things that you might be used to looking for, but there are so many different jobs that are now available in the online space that you can definitely turn into businesses. And that brings me to my next pick, and that is for you to look into creating a job for yourself as a course creator. Now, online course teachers or creators earn anywhere between $10K to $50K per month. So you can create courses on websites like Skillshare or Udemy or Teachable or Kajabi. I mean, it is absolutely endless, and you'll have the potential to be able to create a course that can be very lucrative. Now, if you are willing to strategize your marketing plan, then you can be super successful at selling courses to your raving audience of students and absolutely make all of the coins. So how about becoming a freelance executive virtual assistant? Y'all don't have to be in the hustle of trying to drive to work anymore. You can do everything that you want to do virtually. Now, this job pays between $15 to $30 per hour. And what's so amazing about being a virtual assistant, an executive freelance virtual assistant, is that you have the potential to be able to have more than one client. Could you imagine making $15 or $30 per hour for your executive assistant services with several different clients that you have, as many as you can responsibly take on? And not only that, some make between $40 and $75 an hour as well. So you can find these types of jobs that you can absolutely turn into a freelancer business on websites like freelancer.com, or you can creatively join different groups on the Facebook platform, or now Clubhouse, y'all. Little shameless plug, I'd love for you to join me and follow me on Clubhouse at Tamia Dawkins. I'll make sure that I put it in the description box down below. Now, you can look for different groups, like I mentioned, on Facebook or either on the Clubhouse platform to be able to do some networking in and find out the needs of people or entrepreneurs in particular that are on those platforms that are definitely looking for executive assistants that can assist them in a virtual way. So you can also turn this into an amazing business once again and make $10K a month booking client tasks. So definitely look into becoming an executive virtual assistant. So another great pick that I absolutely have for you is for you to become a chat customer service rep. Now, this job will pay you $15 to $23 an hour. So you can find these kinds of jobs on places like Glassdoor.com again. These jobs are absolutely the best because literally all you have to do is chat, right? Get a little messenger box and absolutely chat with the customers that you have from the different companies that you decide to work for. So if you are still a little shy and you're not ready to totally get out there yet in terms of your profession, while you're working on that, because you got to come out of that shell, this would definitely be a good pick for you so that you can absolutely get out there and find your audience and start your business. So look, here's what I'm going to do for you. In the midst of you trying to make sure that you get on board, prepared for either this extra stream of income that you're looking for, or let's say you unfortunately lost your job due to everything that's going on in the world, I want to be able to gift you with a free gift that I'll put in the description box down below. Make sure that you take advantage of it. And it basically has different success keys that will help you to be able to get things on track for your upcoming online business that you're going to start this year. Let me know in the description box down below, out of all these amazing 8 ways you can go ahead and make some easy money, which one you're gonna go ahead and get started with today. Now, there's one more thing that I absolutely have to let you know, and that is I totally and absolutely believe in you. Do me a favor, make sure that you hit that subscribe button. I'll see you again here soon. Ciao.